Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Libras, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Libras. So these are for your general energies, this is for your relationship and this for your career situation. And today we'll be picking one card for your moon energy, guys. So this is the card. So we will see what it is as we proceed. If you want more clarity, Libras, you can watch the pick a card love reading, guys, that will follow this general guidance. So let's start with these cards here. So we have Four of Pentacles in reverse, Hierophant, and Ace of Pentacles in reverse. So in your circumstances today, guys, Libras, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship today, you are someone who has certain ideals or beliefs, and you go by that, you stick to the rules you have, and you are a very responsible person, dedicated to whatever you do. And today in your circumstances, you are truly inspiring. You are inspiring the people you are with. Maybe you may see some delays or suspensions in your work, some kind of obstacles may be there. But whatever it is, you are confident and you are doing the right thing, what needs to be done today, handling your circumstances effectively, and that is what is making you stand out of the crowd, stand out of the people you work with in your work situation, or maybe in your personal life. It is helping you to stand out from the crowd, and you are inspiring the people you are with today, guys. Maybe the way you go about your life, though you may see some obstacles, something may not be right, you are really on the right track. You are doing things the right way, no matter what your circumstances are. That is what is making you different from others. So it may be your energy, guys, or it may be uh, your person's energy. So there is something different about this person, or something is happening making them different. So they are not what you were thinking about them. So you would have had an idea about this person, what they are and what they were, something based on your experience. But people change. So some changes are happening within this person. Maybe the circumstance, whatever they are seeing today, that has brought the change. So something is helping them to change or making them change, guys, today, Libras. And for your relationship, we picked one card, guys, and it is Eight of Wands in reverse. So maybe it may be your energy or your person's energy. Maybe this person is changing for a reason. Maybe they have realized their mistakes. They have they have understood what has gone wrong, and they are feeling truly guilty for whatever they did, and they don't want to do it anymore. They don't want to be that person anymore. That may be the reason for change. So maybe for some of you in your circumstances, this person is truly changing. Maybe if they are telling you that they are changing, I think you can give them a chance, guys. Give them a chance, because with these cards, it looks like they are going through a lot and they want to change themselves, maybe for this love they have on you, Libras. So for your career circumstances, Libras, we have Eight of Cups. So looks like in your work situation there are a lot of offers coming your way, opportunities, but your focus is on something else. Maybe you are thinking too much about this relationship, or you're worried too much about this relationship, or something is worrying you, something is diverting your attention. So there is another focus you have, or you are what to say, having that interest or focus on something else. Maybe the opportunities that are reaching you are not interesting you guys, but there are a lot of things happening coming your way in your work situation guys. So for your moon energy card Libras, we have cardinal moon, so a positive card here. So with this card, it just means that whatever you want to do or you want to achieve guys, you should make it happen. You should make the efforts, and you should step into that, make that first move. So you need to take matters in your own hands. Do not wait for others. Do not wait for the other person to take the first step or give you ideas. You must initiate whatever you want to achieve today guys. And if you are serious about sorting things out, you must take the lead, step up as a leader. But if something is worrying you, something is there on your mind and you are really worried, it is maybe you just need to give it some time, and maybe you should be more clear. If you want to take a bold step, you must do it confidently guys. If not, you just have to what to say, wait for the right time. So that is the moon energy card for your Libras. If you want more clarity guys, Libras, you can watch the pick a card love reading. Thank you guys. For your love reading guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate guys. So we will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's see what is the first card for those who chose this first card. It says Rose Elf Revelations. So when this card comes to you in a reading guys, it just means that you are having something in your mind, something is what to say, something you have not revealed. Maybe all that sadness and grief you have been holding on, that has been burdening you. So this is the time you are going to be free of all those burdens. So some kind of unkindness towards you, bullying maybe, or injustice done to you is coming into light, and people around you may know the truth, the reason for your sadness or the way you were guys. And you need to trust your instincts today and see for signs. Maybe you may be seeing signs in your circumstances, maybe something happening naturally, the way the birds are singing, or what to say, some signs in nature that you see around yourself. You must be aware of that, because that is going to give you or take you towards truth or clarity today. So your instincts are here to help you guys. You need to trust that. And whatever injustice is being done to you is going to come into light. So there is a person who has been treating you in a bad way, and you were suppressing it, but whatever it is, truth comes into light someday, guys. You can never hide the truth, whatever it may be. And maybe you are someone experiencing this injustice, or maybe there is someone in your circumstances who is experiencing this injustice, and you can bring hope to that person who has lost it. You can make them feel peaceful again, help them with your kind words and with your kind heart, and whatever evil has been done to you will be recognized, and that person who has wronged you will be revealed, and justice is coming out, justice is happening, unfolding in your circumstances. So you can never hide truth for a very long time, guys. So you need to understand that. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys, for you all. So for those who chose this second card, this card, we will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this second card, loyal heart. So this card just means that in your relationship today with your person you love, you both are having a beautiful understanding, mutual love, respect and caring is there. You are devoted to each other and you are loyal to each other, and this may be the time for heartfelt commitments and trust, and you need to understand that having that trust, mutual love and trust for each other, you can see that this relationship is divinely protected and divinely directed. So just like you trust this person, they trust you, and just like this person trusts you, are you loyal to them in return? Are you reciprocating their trust? So you need to question yourself on that, guys, and this is the time for you to be really truthful, honest with what you truly feel, and make this person understand what you truly feel. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So with this card, it just looks like you are in that deep connection with this person, and you both love each other, and you both have a great future together. That is what this card is about, and maybe this may be a twin flame soulmate connection you have with this person, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. So thank you guys for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye guys.